this massive egg. I didn't put it here. I wonder if Kason did.
Kason! Well, I was playing with my squishies.
Look at this massive egg.
Let's open it.
Yeah. Here, ready? Got it.
Whoa. What is it, Daya?
I don't know. Kind of looks like magic goo.
Let's spread it out like this.
Ooh, it's gooey. Maybe we should use the magic makeup brush.
Yeah. Huh, I'll get it.
Got it. Perfect. Ready? Let's say the magic words. Bippity boppity bop. Whoa! Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
It's dress up time.
Let's use the magical makeup brush to get in our costumes. Bippity boppity bop. Whoa!
Wow, Daya.
Cool. I'm Fiona from Shrek. Well, I guess it's your turn. Bippity boppity bop. Whoa, Kason.
Whoa, I'm Shrek.
Cool. You are Shrek, and I'm Fiona.
And I have a big belly.
Yes, you do. Now time for the makeup dress-up part. We're going to be using this green for our face.
And I'm going to be using these orange dots after.
And a water bottle. All right, let's get started. This is just kids' face paint.
We're turning into ogres.
Now we're all green. And I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. I'm just using this dark green in this palette.
I'm just using the orange on my forehead. I'm just doing little dots. They will help me.
Sure.
Perfect. Hey, you're really good. I'm gonna do my bushy eyebrows.
Time for orange eyebrows. Now I'm using orange. Now we're gonna do our blush.
Cute. Lilac and gold.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna do my eyeliner.
Oh, I'm gonna do my pink lips. And wait for Daya to finish.
I'm just gonna finish up. Starting with this mascara. Now I'm gonna pop on my lashes. I'm doing my freckles. I'm just taking some orange and brown. I got my cute freckles, and now I'm gonna do my lipstick. Now, time for the wig.
Ta-da! I'm Shrek.
And I'm Fiona.
We're from the movie Shrek.
You look so cute, Hong Kong. Where is that donkey?
Donkey. We should probably go outside and look for him.
Probably. Come on, guys. Do you want to come with us? Make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. I can't hear you. Subscribe.
That's better.
We love you guys.